Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. By the way, sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, And ako, ang open sa akin, astrological reading hanggang end ng August 2024. Open siya. And then, malaman pa sa susunod kung mau-open ko pa siya ng September. But if ever mag-available siya ng September, iba na yung price niya. Medyo naka-promo ngayon. Anyway, let's start your reading. What do we have here for the sign of Earth sign? Pa-comment na lang guys yan sa baba. Pa-heart, heart, heart. Ayan. Smileys. And pa-like ng pinaka-video na to. Nagpapakita yun ng malaking suporta guys. Yun, do have here the Hierophant. Parang may naririnig ako na something sira. So, I don't know kung may something na sira dyan sa place mo, sa area mo. Like, maybe sirang laruan, sirang radyo, ganun. Or naglolokong signal ng TV. Anyway, you do have here the Ten of Pentacles, the Wheel, and the Hierophant. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Major Arcana, the Taurus, the Hierophant, and the Wheel. Main energy mo, I feel like magaling kang magbigay ng advice sa iba. And you are actually mature, no? Mature ka pagdating sa pag-iisip, pagdedesisyon, and pwedeng pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay sa mga buhay, usaping buhay ng tao. Pwedeng kasi marami ka ng pinagdaanan or marami ka na natutunan sa buhay. So, ito sabihin na natin, yung mga pinagdaanan mo na yon, malaki yung pinagbago mo ngayon. And nagiging inspiration or advisor ka pagdating sa iba. The Wheel is here, so a lot of big changes ang nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Continues a lot of money. Iba sa inyo if you do have clients or customers, ayan, a lot of money ang dumadating or continuous na dumadating sa'yo or paparating sa'yo. And actually, especially with the Hierophant, pwedeng hindi ka na kasi ganun katulad ng dati. Pagdating sa, sabihin na natin paggastos, maybe in the past, halos everyday meron kang mga binibili, maybe may mga padala like Shopee, mga ganun, Lazada. But now, ngayon parang medyo nabago na yun, hindi na katulad ng ganun. May mga pwedeng expenses pa rin naman, but it's not like katulad ng dati na kahit hindi kailangan. Ngayon maybe mas nauuna yung mga importante muna or yung kailangan muna. So because nababago yung iyong mindset, na nagiging mas mature ka financially sa way of thinking mo, malaking pagbabago ang ibinibigay sa'yo nito. Whatever you are dealing here pagdating sa finances, nakakita tayo ng growth dito, but maybe hindi mo pa masyadong maramdaman kasi hindi pa siya ready or hindi pa ganun, like as you can see in the picture, it's like whatever that kind of source of money, a source of income, or maybe a talent na pwedeng unti-unti mong natututunan, nalalaman mo sa sarili mo, na ito ay nagugustuhan mo, etc. So, pwedeng hindi pa kasi ganun kaayos or kailangan mo pang i-perfect mo na ito, whatever talent or skill. Ito yung iba, might be may kinalaman sa pag-aaral or might be, for some of you, career. Okay? Pwedeng business. So, hindi pa siya, nag-grow siya pero hindi pa siya agad maramdaman. The Four of Swords is here. Some of you need to be more patient. which is yun naman ay natutunan mo dito kung paano maging patient dito. Ayan, no? Nine of Pentacles, there's a lot of success for you. Yeah, there's a lot of success for you. Nakakita ko ng energy ng Libra or Taurus. Taurus and Libra, actually, that is, ang ruling planet niyan is the planet of Venus sa astrology. And maybe you do have a strong Venus in your chart. Check your natal chart. You do have here the Lovers, Gemini. And maybe you are someone who really do, you look good, you look beautiful. Babae man or lalaki, may tsura ka talaga. And maybe napapansin ng ibang tao or maraming nakakapansin sa iyo ngayon nun, na mas lalo kang nag-i-improve, mas lalo kang gumaganda. Hey, you do have here the Lovers, the Four of Pentacles, and the Chariot. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Yung person na nakakonect mo could be someone who is, I don't know if you are in a relationship. Some of you magkarelasyon na kayo. Yung iba could be partnership or maybe may something, may connection. This is a pretty much strong connection here with the Lovers kasi nakikita natin ito as a connection na guided by the spirit guides, angel guides. Four of Pentacles, maybe this person is currently nag-iipon because this person wants to see you. May kinalaman dito sa pagta-travel with the Chariot, Cancer energy. And this person gusto niya na like development sa connection ninyo. Spiritually, pwedeng medyo nagiging malupit or why did I say malupit? Honestly, ang nasasabihin ko dapat kanina is spiritually nagiging maganda. Pero nakikita ko, ang nabanggit ko is malupit. So maybe spiritually, medyo nagiging malupit yung tadhana sa inyo. Oh, wow. Ito ko, this is not a coincidence, but this is a message for you. Kasi, actually, kanina pa tayo nagsisimula, alam mo naman yan. Pero meron pa lang na isang naiwan na card na ngayon lang nagpapansin or nagpakita sa akin, which is sakto dun sa word na malupit. A Three of Swords, maybe this person is involved in another relationship, another connection, could be a third party situation. Tell me about this. What's with the Three of Swords? Ten of Cups and the Four of Cups could be in Ten of Cups could be some kind of family matter. So, pwedeng siya ay pamilyado. Or maybe, kasi the Three of Swords, this is pain. Or if not, eto, dalawang, alin man yung makuha mo ditong situation, okay? Could be your person na ito is pamilyado and with the Four of Cups, pwedeng this person is thinking of you, hindi siya happy dun sa situation niya and pwedeng with the Three of Swords, nasasaktan siya because alam niya sa sarili niya na hindi niya mahal yung tao. Punong-puno ng pag-aaway, pagkakagalit with the Five of Wands. Okay? Gusto niya mag-break free from this connection, from this relationship. Pero maybe, nasasaktan siya kasi pwedeng wala rin siya magawa because especially if there's children na involved, may anak. And some of you, yung situation is that pwedeng hindi naman pamilyado but rather yung family niya yung nagiging dahilan. Yung yung pamilya niya, hindi siya sigurado kung tatanggapin or kung okay ba ito and might be this person really do likes you, gusto ka niya. The problem is might be may kinalaman sa usaping family, maybe they don't parang hindi pabor or hindi okay sa family yung relationship ninyong ganito, maybe because of tradition or because of kultura or pagkakaibang lahi. So, pwedeng ganun. So, the Three of Swords is breaking this person's heart. So, alin man doon. So, unfortunately, itong person na to, ayaw niyang may makasakit or masaktan. Masaktan yung mga tao sa paligid niya, like yung family niya. So, there's a possibility na sinasaalang-alang niya yung kanyang own happiness and yung ako na lang yung masaktan. Parang ganun. Kesa yung family ko or kung pamilyado siya or kung hindi pabor yung kanyang family, pwedeng ang thinking nitong person na to, hindi niya lang talaga sure kung ano ang gagawin. So, ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Gagamit ako ng ibang card. What do we have here for the sign of Earth sign? I really can feel the energy of Taurus and Libra. Water sign, nandito rin. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito. Take only what resonates. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. You do have here, okay, gayuma or love spell. Paulit-ulit. And magkikita din tayo, handa na ako. Person na ito, wala akong magagawa. And saranggola. And you do have here, may chance pa. Clarify the may chance pa, please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. My chance pa is clarified by tulay. Okay. And basketball is at the bottom of the deck. Followed by naaawa ako sa'yo. So this person, pwedeng ang emotion mo para sa kanya ngayon is like, I don't know, you're obsessed. Diba? Katulad ng feeling ng isang nagayuma, there are times na ayaw mo naman talaga siyang isipin. There are times na ayaw mo siyang maramdaman. Ayaw mo siyang mapanaginipan. Ayaw mo siyang maalala. But, you are obsessed with this person. Paulit-ulit You do have your paulit-ulit. So, pwedeng paulit-ulit na naaalala mo tong person na to. And, there's an energy na gusto mo siyang makita in person. Or more likely sa in person Kasi yung pagkikita through social media parang walang effect for you. And then, emotion niya sa'yo, I feel like there's this matibay na connection sa inyong dalawa with the tulay. And, kaya lang talaga wala siyang magawa sa situation niya Diba? Ba't nararamdaman niya yung feeling na may chance pa sa inyo? Nararamdaman niya yung feeling. Kaya nga siya nag-iipon. Or, maybe, may kinalaman sa money because feeling niya may chance pa. Hindi pa siya completely bumibitaw. Gaano man kalayo yung ilayo ng connection ninyo with the saranggola, nandun pa rin yung connection ninyo. And with the basketball, I feel like, I feel like this person or both of you, nararamdaman nyo dito sa connection na it's not yet over, hindi pa game over, parang ganon. Is still, you're still playing, parang ganon. Okay, so, punta na po natin yung future for you. What is the future for you? In the near future sa inyong dalawa. But anyway, yun nga, nararamdaman niyo that like the game is not yet over. May chance pa or... By the way, sorry about the noise. Medyo maingay sa background ko kasi medyo may mga eskwela. May nag-uwian na po yung mga eskwela. You do have your akin ka lang. Kunwari lang. and ikaw ang sana ko. So, this is your near future reading. Busted or friend zone, kuya zone, ate zone. Basketball is here. And you do have your growth. Third party. Okay. So, for now, I don't see any movement or I don't see any changes sa connection ninyo. But, you do have your akin ka lang, but take note, yung emotions ng person na to, although nandun siya sa harapan ng person niya, or although may ganyang situation sa inyo na mahirap i-connect dahil sa mga nagiging hadlang like family, etc. With the akin ka lang, I can see like there's this energy of sa'yo pa rin ang puso nitong person na to, and you do have your kunwari lang, so wala kayong choice in the near future kundi magkunwari sa bawat isa na, because of this situation. And you do have your ikaw ang sana ko, so the way I see this is that pwedeng in the future, andun, marami pa ring sana sa person na ito. And malaki talaga ang chance na there's a third party situation, and ito yung nagiging dahilan for the both of you. We do have your soko na ako na parang sukuan ang connection na ito, diba? And you do have your walis tingting and daspan, that let's say you both of you you complete each other, you both you can't live without the other, parang ganun kind of energy. Some of you, this is like a soulmate connection or a twin flame connection or a soul tribe, may soul connection sa inyong dalawa. With the walis tingting and daspan, kasi they can't work out kung halimbawa si walis tingting wala si daspan, like hindi pwede, 'di ba? Para paano maaalis or mawawala yung yung problem. So I feel like in the future medyo mahirap pa rin i-connect ang connection ninyo, and both of you will be focusing on both of your growth mo, maybe spiritually, or growth mo with regards to money. And then basketball is here. Ayan, like what I've told you, the game is not yet over. Hindi pa tapos ang game sa inyong dalawa. And you don't know if you will lose, if you will win. Ganon. And you do have your busted friend zone, kuya zone, ate zone. So hanggat hindi nasusolusyonan yung problema regarding the other person or other people na involved dito, medyo nagiging imposible yung sa inyo. Well, let me just ask ano yung advice dito for the sign of earth sign. Advice for you, you do have your katol. Ano kaya ang nasa isip niya? And you do have here Manny Pacquiao. And you do have here pinagmamalaki kita, breakup and separation. Well, the advice for you with the katol, it feels like you need to relax. You need to relax. Kung ano man yung mga masasakit, mahirap, or unhealthy connection na nangyayari sa inyo, maybe may mga magtiwala ka lang na parang this is happening for a reason. Kumbaga kung hindi nangyayari to, hindi mo malalaman yung spiritual connection mo sa kanya. Kung hindi nangyayari to, hindi rin siya magigising sa connection, sa spiritual connection ninyo. Pwedeng kung hindi nangyayari itong mga bagay na to, hindi kayo masasaktan. Hindi nyo mararamdaman kung gaano ka-importante ang isa't isa. Diba? So, you need to relax. Hayaan mo lang. And focus on your money. Ano kaya ang nasa isip niya? So, I feel like the advice here is, Manny Pacquiao, It feels like you just have to get ready and focus on yourself. Mag-focus ka sa sarili mong galaw. Kasi ang energy nito is like parang nasa boxing ring eh. You know, when you are in a boxing ring, iniisip mo kung ano yung next move ng person na ito, nakakonect mo. 'Di ba? Think of yourself na pwedeng yung person na ito is like, mas lalo kang mahihirapan pag nag-focus ka masyado sa iniisip or sa next move nito. Okay? Focus on yourself, kung ano yung mga dapat mong aralin or dapat mong gawin para for you to improve. 'Di ba? And medyo magiging mahirap or madugo itong connection ninyo, but the way I see this, you just have to, magtiwala lang dito, mag-relax lang, and I don't know, for now, yun lang muna yung nakukuha natin eh. Yeah. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. By the way, may mga effect pa rin si Blue Moon. Ang Blue Moon happened this August 19, sa Aquarius. So, medyo may mga effect pa siya para sa iba sa inyo. You will be more emotional, ganun. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.